Welcome to AI News Today, your daily AI news update for July 4th, 2026. Stay tuned for today's top stories in artificial intelligence. And stay tuned till the end for today's AI Market Roundup. Breaking news. AI hype is so thick, even sandwich shops can't escape it. Top stories this week. Google DeepMind and A24 announce first-of-its-kind research partnership. Google DeepMind, Google's AI research lab, is partnering with A24, the indie film studio behind Everything Everywhere All at Once, to explore AI's role in creative storytelling. This signals a major push to legitimize AI in Hollywood without replacing human artists. Mark Zuckerberg tells staff that AI agents haven't progressed as quickly as he'd hoped. At an internal meeting, the Meta CEO reportedly admitted that AI development efforts were not moving as fast as anticipated, tempering expectations for Meta's agentic AI roadmap. This is a rare moment of humility from a tech leader who has bet the company on AI. Anthropic is discussing a new custom chip with Samsung. Anthropic, makers of the Claude AI assistant, is in talks with Samsung about a custom AI chip, coming just a week after OpenAI announced its own chip partnership with Broadcom. This shows the AI arms race is now a hardware war, with every major lab wanting its own silicon. This week's biggest takeaway: AI leaders are scaling back hype and investing in foundational hardware. AI tools of the week. Meta Pocket Gaming, an experimental AI app from Meta that lets users generate and share interactive mini-games using text prompts. Launched quietly this week. Free. Claude Science Research, an AI workbench for scientists from Anthropic, now available to help researchers analyze data and write papers. Newly launched this week. Freemium. Google AI updates June 2026. Productivity. Google announced a suite of AI improvements across its products, including smarter search and enhanced generative tools. Announced this week. Free. Vaudit Token Audit Data, a tool to recover millions in enterprise token spend billing errors from Anthropic, OpenAI, and other AI providers. Launched this week. Paid. This week's standout: Claude Science, because it directly targets the scientific research community with a specialized AI workbench. AI automation and agents this week. Monday.com AI agents. Monday.com welcomed AI agents to its platform, marking a shift in how work gets done by automating project management tasks. This is a significant step for mainstream enterprise adoption of agentic AI. Deloitte Bank Automation Report. Deloitte published a report on how banks can supercharge intelligent automation with agentic AI, highlighting use cases like fraud detection and customer service. Limited news this week. No major updates from AutoGen, CrewAI, LangChain, or UiPath. This week's automation highlight: Monday.com AI agents, because it brings agentic AI to a widely used project management platform. Cloud AI, all vendors this week. Azure, OpenAI, Microsoft, no major update this week. AWS Bedrock, SageMaker, Amazon. Claude Fable 5 returned to AWS Bedrock after an export ban was lifted, making Anthropic's latest model available again on AWS. Vertex AI, Gemini, Google Cloud, no major update this week. Oracle Cloud AI, no major update this week. IBM Watson X, no major update this week. Mistral, Cohere, Other. Vaudit launched Token Audit to recover billing errors from Anthropic, OpenAI, and other AI providers, affecting all cloud AI vendors. Biggest week: AWS Bedrock regained access to Claude Fable 5, a key model for enterprise customers. Global AI Spotlight. Limited global AI news this week. The only international development came from Deloitte's report on banks and agentic AI, which has global implications for financial institutions adopting AI automation. No major updates from China, EU, UK, India, or Middle East this week. Trend of the week. This week's dominant trend is the silicon arms race. AI labs are moving beyond software to design their own custom chips. OpenAI partnered with Broadcom, Anthropic is in talks with Samsung, and Cerebras surged 25.9% as the market rewards hardware first AI plays. Simultaneously, leaders like Zuckerberg are publicly admitting that AI agents are progressing slower than hoped, indicating a shift from hype to realistic timelines. For developers and investors, the message is clear. The next phase of AI will be won or lost on hardware and infrastructure, not just models. AI stocks winners and losers. Cerebras surged on the custom chip news cycle as investors bet on its wafer-scale AI processors. CoreWeave dropped sharply, likely due to profit taking after a strong run and concerns about hyperscaler competition. Conclusion and key takeaways. This week, AI leaders traded hype for hardware, with custom chip deals and honest assessments of agentic AI's pace. The market rewarded infrastructure bets while punishing overhyped cloud plays. Don't forget, subscribe for your weekly AI briefing every Saturday at 7 a.m. Next week, watch for the fallout from Anthropic's Samsung chip deal. What was your biggest AI story this week? Drop it in the comments.